and today we're going to be reviewing this Smartmike. It's a Bluetooth microphone from LEWINNER. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. So it comes in this hard shell case. It's actually pretty small. It's like the size of my palm. Alright, so here's the microphone. As you can see, it's pretty compact. Doesn't weigh that much at all. Here's your earphone, your charging cable, USB to USB-C. Here's your windscreen, and it looks like a carabiner clip, just a little one. Let's see. Small size right there. And that's everything in this little case. So you can have the foam for the microphone, a little case for everything else. I'm going to clip this right here. I'm not going to use it yet. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Okay. So that's what it looks like on my shirt. I'm going to read the stats right now so you guys don't have to do any research. I tried to get as much information off the internet for you guys as possible so you don't have to do it. So it's Bluetooth. This works on Android, iPhone, iPads. It's 48 kilohertz CD quality. Adjustable noise reduction level, and that's in the app, I believe. It can connect with an external microphone. When you're doing a two-person interview, it has a headphone jack right there. So you can actually connect like a lavalier mic, like the wired one, into this one. Give that to the other person, you can do your interview. Now this only works with the dedicated app. It's called the Smartmike app. And it only works with smartphones, so I haven't seen anywhere that it works with, let's say, like a DSLR camera. Computers, I think there is some way you can get it to connect. I'm not sure how. I will have to do a little bit more research on that. It's not supported for live streaming on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. It does have up to 6 hours battery life on a full charge. It has a lithium battery. Now this goes up to 50 feet recording, so you can stand really far away. I don't know why you would want to walk that far away, but it's pretty useful if you need to do like vlogging or creating content for YouTube, stuff like that. You pair it with your phone by long pressing the power button on the microphone. When you're recording, it has a remote control, so by pressing the power button, you can start and stop recording. Well, that's pretty cool. Charge time. From a dead battery, it's approximately 1 hour to get a full charge. There's real-time automatic subtitle sync technology in 60 plus languages that it recognizes. There's real-time monitoring with plugged-in earphones so you can hear yourself how you sound. The Amazon reviews, they say it works with Zoom, so that's a good thing. And that's it for the specs. That's all my notes right there. So let's go ahead and get to testing some audio. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Google Play right now since I have Android, and download the app that it has for it, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so to pair it, all I did was long press this little power button right here, hold it down for a few seconds. There's a blue light underneath it that beeps. I turned on my Bluetooth on my Android, and it paired under Smartmike, so it was really quick, really fast, and now it's ready to go. I'm gonna get the Smartmike app going, and then we'll do some audio tests. Okay, so I just got the app set up. My Bluetooth mic is connected, the LEWINNER microphone, so now I'm speaking through that with the app, and the app is pretty cool. Right now I'm seeing the mic levels going a little bit into the orange, so I'm trying to not talk so loud. It looks like there's a lot of controls for the audio on the right side, so this looks like a very well-made app. They really put a lot of thought into this. I'm going to show you what it sounds like with just the phone, and I'm going to switch back and forth so you can see the difference of the audio. So let me go ahead and switch that. Alright, I'm about 2 feet away from the camera, and this is what it sounds like with the phone audio only. Okay, now I have this on my shirt. I'm testing the audio out to see if it sounds any different than when I was holding it about a foot away from my mouth. Another cool thing about this microphone is it came 100% charged. I didn't have to charge it at all. So that was just extra little convenience right out of the box. It's really easy to set up. It's really easy to download the app. Pairing took like 5 seconds. I turned my Bluetooth on, hit the power button, it connected. The app is really cool. I'm gonna have to mess around with it and see, you know, what all the features are and everything. But right now it looks like a very high quality app, a very high quality microphone. This seems like probably the go-to microphone that I'm gonna use for vlogging and recording outdoors and stuff like that. Let me know how you guys think this sounds. As of right now, I definitely give this microphone 5 stars. I give the app 5 stars. This is definitely one of the most high quality wireless mics that I have. I'd highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video, all right?